the market today?
Well, it seems that a pump which actually started on September 28th is heating up again, which is a bit strange since at least 3 times after that, massive amounts of shares have been dumped on the market. The company in question is Santo Mining Inc., or ticker symbol SANP.
What's their deal? I saw yesterday they closed up 21% at $1.30. What is supposedly going on?
Well, before we get to that, let's hear from a highly successful investor. Hello, sir. Can you hear us?
I hear you, son.
Good. What is your personal opinion of SANP?
Lord have mercy, I will not invest in this stock.
Yes, but why?
Oh, I don't spend money on pump schemes.
I see. That may be a good decision for some traders.
Do you think he's right? I saw that the market cap of SANP is $83 million. This is not entirely outrageous for a gold mining company?
Well, yes and no. In the case of SANP, it just might not be, since actually SANP doesn't really have any solid achievements in its past. What it does have is an outrageous sum spent on pumping the stock. Apparently, a company by the name of Arundel Investments Inc. has a budget of $3.85 million to artificially inflate the price of SANP stock. And that company is actually a shareholder of SANP.
I looked at some recent filings and I saw that SANP secured $500,000 by privately placing shares below market price. This means there are lots of investors holding underpriced shares which could sell at any moment.
Yes, and that is actually not the only issue with SANP. The company has a couple of claims which it acquired from a Gexplo SRL, which is a company owned by none other than Alain French, who is the CEO and president of SANP.
So basically this Mr. French paid himself tens of millions in SANP shares for mineral claims which have no proven value.
Yeah, and what's more, it would take years to see if there are any commercially viable reserves in those claims.
And on top of that, I heard that in the recent future there will be a 2-for-1 stock split, which means the SANP shares will multiply, and this is a mess.
Well, yeah, but pumpers could say just about anything if they get paid well. OTC Picks is one of the pumpers behind the pump of SANP, and in their past history we can see they touted Yippee Inc., which is actually 70% down since they touted it. Another example of what they're capable of is MDMC, which actually did go up before crashing 90%.
Apparently someone got burned on those, and
Yeah.
Therefore do your own research and your own due diligence before falling for any of the emails that you receive.
Yes, be careful out there. Check your sources, and if you're new to the OTC markets, it may be a good idea to stay away from pump jobs. Happy trading.
Till next time.
Hello, this is Brian Fisher. I'm the publisher of HotStock.com. You probably landed on this page because you're looking for more information on a particular stock. What you may not know is that this stock is making a chart pattern which has already been seen in the market thousands of times. So if you were able to look up all of the previous times this happened and count how many stocks went up or down after the signal, you would know the probability of this stock. I provided a link to a free piece of software that you can download that will tell you just that. If you're thinking about trading this stock, you may be walking into a situation where the odds are 80% that it will fail, or maybe the odds are 80% that it will go up sharply. Isn't that something that you should know? With one click, you can look up any stock and get the probability. In addition to the chart probability, you can see the earnings trend, the trends in revenue, a consensus of all analyst estimates on Wall Street, and the average price target. If you want more information, you can use the software to get a complete research report on the company. Okay, so this is great for looking up one stock, but what if you want to know which stocks today have the highest probability to increase? That is the big idea behind Hot Stock Precision. This software scans the charts of every single stock on the market every day. You can sort by which stocks have just made signals with the highest probability to make huge moves up or down in the next few days. If you're looking for something more specific, you can see the highest probability penny stocks, the best from Wall Street Research, or the best short sale candidates. Our software has already been downloaded by over 200,000 people. We've had reports from users making from $500 a day to over $75,000 a month using this program. Once you have tried it, you're never going to want to trade again without it. But I don't want you to take my word for it, or the word of the thousands of users that have already made great reviews. I want you to try it for yourself, absolutely free. So go ahead and click on the download link. Follow the simple instructions to get your free copy today.